Why do your knuckles crack, and is it dangerous? Cracking your knuckles is a strangely satisfying habit, but have you ever wondered what causes that pop and whether it's actually bad for you? Why it happens? It's because the gas bubbles form or collapse inside the joint when pressure changes. Is it dangerous? Nope, not unless it's causing pain or you're overdoing it. Arthritis? Total myth. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting facts.